Hello, and Merry Christmas, everyone. Every year, I try to challenge myself to bring something new to our Noche Buena spread. So I partnered with Monte Kitchenomics to create my masterpiece this year. I'm gonna make Pinoy-style mac and cheese. First thing, I'm gonna add the olive oil. I'm gonna saute the bacon. Okay, so I'm gonna set aside. What I'm gonna do next is cook our tapa. Half of it I will use as a garnish and half of it I will use for flavoring. So I'm gonna set the tapa aside. Now, I'm gonna add the onions, the mushroom. Next is our white wine. I'm gonna add our tapa. So we're gonna add 2 pouches of Del Monte carbonara sauce.
I'm gonna pour the milk.
Next. And I'm gonna add the basil. Then I'm gonna season it with just salt and pepper because it doesn't need anything more. On to my favorite part, Del Monte elbow macaroni into the baking pan. Our Del Monte carbonara sauce over the macaroni. Then we're gonna add another layer. So we're gonna spread out the mushroom and the meat. Some tapa on top. Gonna add the bacon. We cap it off with cheese. When this cheese melts, it's gonna act as a nice crust to our dish. I'm gonna put our Pinoy mac and cheese into the oven. So it's set at 180. I'm gonna put it for 15 minutes. Noche Buena is about reliving old memories and creating new ones. That's why I've committed to adding something new to our traditional holiday spread. Because who knows, in a few years, it can become a new traditional favorite. So here we go, our Pinoy-style mac and cheese. When you put your basil, just use your fingers. We're ready to go to a Noche Buena party. The tapa gives it that new flavor, kind of like gives you a hug because it's so familiar. This is definitely a new Noche Buena must-have. With Del Monte Kitchenomics, you can surprise your family this Noche Buena by adding a twist to your traditional favorites. Find my Pinoy-style mac and cheese recipe here, and click here to watch more recipes I created with Del Monte Kitchenomics. Thank you mga ka-kitch, and happy cooking!